Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my first ever vinyl box. So if you don't know what vinyl is, it is a record subscription box and they send you 3 supposedly hand-curated records each month. So it's $39 a month and you link your Spotify and your Discogs up so they can see what you're listening to and what you already own. They also have like 6 different playlists that you can choose from that's supposed to influence their pickings as well. I'm not sure. I'm kind of a little bit nervous. So I ordered this box March 14th and it got to me April 17th. That is a long time. I have zero patience, okay? I'm hoping that my April box will come sooner than the March one did, but it's supposed to take like 2 to 3 weeks for them to curate and ship and whatever, but I have zero patience, so. Takes a long time, but hopefully it's worth it. I wouldn't say I'm like super picky when it comes to my music, but also you're paying for something that you don't know what you're getting. Since this is my first music related video and I'm not a music channel, I'll just kind of like let you know what I like to listen to. We'll see if this is like so far off. In the little survey that you take, I definitely mentioned Fall Out Boy, Panic, All Time Low, that realm of, you know, people like state champs, stuff like that. I love that kind of stuff. I love country music, even though I like never see country pressed on vinyl ever, but current country, pop country stuff. Anything that's like current pop, not so much top 40, but like still pop music, you know? Those are like the main genres I listen to. Like I'm not horribly picky, but there's some things that I absolutely will not listen to, so let's see if we get any of that today. So I guess we will just open this box. The first thing in the box is always this sheet. I've watched a lot of unboxings, okay. Alright, we're gonna do it like everybody else does. So on the back is what they have in their record store. You can get these records at a discount for being a member. So if there's anything in there that you like and you see, you can just order it and it will show up with the rest of these things. So the first one is Thanks, Sorry, Sure by McCafferty. Is that how you say that? Here's the back. I've never heard of this. I shall take a listen later. Oh look, there's pups on here. Songs of the Story So Far. I've heard of The Story So Far. Have I listened to The Story So Far? No. Ooh, it's limited color vinyl. That's fun. Alright, and then the last one is Overcoats. Young. And it's back. So good news, y'all. I don't know any of these. Here's to hoping that I like them. I've already chosen my April playlist and the box has been ordered, so hopefully next month I know somebody, but I don't know any of these. The other things you get in the box, oh my. Get some stickers, if y'all like stickers. This is the playlist that I chose, Bling Training. And some more stickers. In the box is also this postcard and it's a handwritten note from whoever curated your box. So I'll read that and see why they chose. What they chose. Hey Taylor, welcome. I'm kicking off your hashtag Bling Training box with a cathartic set of acoustics from California Darlings, The Story So Far. Next, a purple/green splattered variant of McCafferty's Thanks, Sorry, Sure, exclusive to vinyl members. Finally, some dark synth pop from Overcoats. Always excited to share fresh discoveries, and this is a good one. Enjoy. Phil. I hope I said your name right. I think so. So here's what I'm gonna do. Since this one has a sleeve, it's not even like sealed. I'll just take this out and look at this one first. I have a digital download card. Does anybody want this album? Anyone? Let me know. I'll send you this code or whatever. Okay. Then the actual record is just pressed black. So I'm just gonna listen to a little snippet of each artist before I want to unwrap these. Just in case, like I'm not feeling it, I can pass them along without, you know? Okay. Okay, this is cool. That's fun. And on the back are some words for these lyrics. could be. All right, next I'm gonna see what this is about. What? I can't say I'm feeling this one. Sorry. I like this one the most. If I was gonna choose one, I'd choose this one. I don't know what to say. I think, well, I already ordered my next one, so hopefully I'll know something in that one. Not that not knowing an artist in this is bad. This is good for like finding new music, finding an artist, but I also have Spotify for that, which is only like 10 bucks. I think if you're looking to grow your vinyl collection, if you want to find new things, if you're not super picky, I think this is a good box for you. 2 download cards. If anybody wants them, leave a comment down below and I'll give it to you. For the story so far and overcoats. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see another unboxing video, let me know, but I'm probably gonna do next month's when I get it anyway. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, why? No, I'm kidding. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and follow me on my social media. You can follow me on Instagram. My Snapchat's down below, but like I really don't use it because who does anymore? You can follow me on Twitter. And yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!